Hello, today I want to show you how to change UIKit project into a SwiftUI project. It will be a series of short videos that actually display your approach, how to do it. So here you can see the project that works on UIKit. It's actually a host application that's very thin, and the package that contains all the files, all the logic and views. It was done so because when you have all your files into one project, it always a lot of conflicts during the merge. And if you have a lot of files like in package, there is no conflicts in project file, and so you can move very fast on the implementation. So let's go. First of all, here in the app delegate, we should remove your application main. App delegate is actually the thing that we will have, and we'll keep it because we have there some engine calls related to the notifications. Yeah, the actual engine is a framework file, the root of the framework, that you should go initialize it to actually make framework active and make the application running, basically. How it's done right now. Here we have window, we have framework engine. Framework engine set up the window. Okay, so if you look closer on the setup function, there is an application router that starts itself with window. And here is controller and a lot of things. Okay, we already see here one issue, we have view for some reason. Okay, so if we try to create SwiftUI, import SwiftUI, here we have issue with this view. Okay, now it's protocol SwiftUI, but it's actually not the SwiftUI view. If we go to the road, we should find this view because it will cause a lot of troubles. Okay, here is some kind of navigation thing that has ID for all SIGUs, I think. So we will rename it beforehand. Let's call it view type, something like that. Okay, now when we have this view issue avoided, let's go to the main application. We can create additional Swift file here. In that file we will place, it will be called client app Swift. So we need SwiftUI here. Also we need our framework here. And I will paste the code, so we won't tap a lot of So the idea is it's main modifier here. We have client app, we have engine that was initialized from deconnect. It's our framework. Also we have application delegate adapter here. because we need some specific delegate methods from this application delegate for the notifications running. And here we have engine content view, which we will create, and we also need to set up engine to the application delegate somehow. Let's look into the application delegate. Okay, we have initial initialization of agent and window. This code is not required here. Actually, we have the engine that is private var. We should do it public. I have an idea that we can remove all these methods until the notification part here. So basically we have engine that will handle application notification life cycle, like register to remote notification and fail to register to remote notification. Okay, so let's check again. Engine should have content view, right? It will be very convenient. Let's go to the deconnect and create public var content view, some view. Okay, but should we put here something? Oh, we have no UIKit here. SwiftUI, SwiftUI, okay. And we can remove this one. Okay, we have app router. Let's check app router. We can just create something like public var content view, Let's put some text here. Let's return to our deconnect file and service, call a service like router self content view here, right? Okay, we can check if it actually works. Okay, we have one more issue here. This task actually required to set engine to the application delegate, and Xcode have this issue, like the task is available from iOS 15 only. So yeah, this application right now is iOS 14.5. Let's check if we change it here in client, if it will change in general. No. So let's set it also to 15 and test to 15. Okay, let's run again. We have this gray. Oh, actually it works fine, but we forget one thing. Here in application delegate there was two methods actually for the deconnect. Application will enter foreground and application didn't become active. That initialize some logic of the framework that was bound to the specific application states. And there is two ways to do this. The first way is like we can subscribe to notifications Using this part of logic here, like it's very convenient. We have content view here, and we can add additional logic here to subscribe to notification center, to did become active notification, and to will enter foreground notification. And it works from the beginning, like we can put breakpoints here. Okay, so first it did become active. If we like go for a ground, everything works fine. Yeah. So this is first part, like what you should do to actually convert SwiftUI to SwiftUI from the UIKit. In the next lesson we will check actual router thing. We will wrap some view controllers into the SwiftUI wrappers, and then we start rewriting view controllers like step by step. And one more thing, it's when you have storyboard that automatically loads, here you should disconnect the storyboard and remove the reference from info list. That's all. Have a good day. All the love, all the power. Bye.